Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Brown, the multimedia educator here at Fairchild Wheeler. In multimedia, you will be asked to do a lot of fascinating projects, using some of the school's finest equipment such as the green screen studio. Get ready and be ready to produce your very own audiobooks, public service announcements, documentaries, commercials, music videos, stop motion animations, and your very own short film starring you. Yes, you. Sign up today. I'm excited to have you, and I hope that you'll be excited too. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Mr. Snyder, and this is Gaming Animation. Do you like to play video games? Well, have you ever tried to make one? Well, in this class, we'll be using the Unity game engine to create our own games from scratch. We will also be looking at current and past games and analyzing why those games work or why they don't work. So our big project for the semester is to make your own game. We start off the semester by designing the game from scratch and creating a game design document. Then we develop the game and have weekly presentations regarding the progress of our game and get feedback on those updates. So this is a project that was made by a previous student of mine. He wanted to create a game similar to Jetpack Joyride, where you have and use a jetpack to collect various collectibles and objectives. So you can move around using the W, S, A, and D key, and then you can jump using the spacebar. You can also use the Shift key in order to use the jetpack. Right now, we are doing the tutorial section, so it teaches you how to play the game. It's teaching you to go collect these coins in order to progress into the next part of the game. So once you collect all the coins, it teaches you about the jetpack and the gas canisters that are used to keep your fuel up. So your jetpack has a certain number of fuel that you can see in the bottom right bar down there. And when that bar reaches to 0, then you run out of fuel. But you can use this jetpack to fly around and collect these various collectibles while you're going through the game. So everything about this project was built by the student from scratch. All the code, all the visuals, all that stuff was built by him, and I was really impressed by the turnout of it. So overall, if you're very interested in making games, love gaming in general, I think this class might be a perfect fit for you.
What is DA engineering? Simple, digital audio engineering. Learn how to mix and master sounds right here at Fairchild Wheeler. I'm Mr. Brown, and I can't wait to share with you all my secret tips on the world of sound engineering. You'll be creating podcasts, jingles, theme songs, and your very own song. Yes, your very own song. You'll learn how to write, produce, mix, and distribute. If you want to learn how to sound like the pros, sign up for DA Engineering today with none other than me, Mr. Brown. See you soon.
Hello, my name is Mr. Snyder, and this is the second programming language in AP Computer Science route. These two classes flow into each other, so if you're interested in taking AP Computer Science A, you would first need to take second programming language. In second programming language, we look at a programming language called C, and we learned about the fundamentals of programming and programming structure through a different language. Then in AP Computer Science A, we switch over to a different language called Java, and we start to look at what happens inside the computer at a different level. And we learn core concepts of what object-oriented programming is and Java as a whole. We just completed a project in AP CSA where we write an algorithm to hide data inside of other data. We did this using pictures. So we hid this picture of an arch inside this picture of a beach. Can you find the picture? Well, it might be a little bit hard to find because we didn't just copy and paste this picture into this picture of a beach. We actually manipulated the binary data of the beach image and hid the arch image inside of it. Then when we write a little bit of code to reveal this image, it's going to look something like this. The image might look a bit distorted, but that's just because of how we manipulated that binary to first hide the image inside the picture of the beach and then what we did to reveal it, to take it out of that image. So overall, this was a really awesome project, and I was really impressed with the turnout for it. But overall, if you are interested in taking a programming intensive course, or you're just wondering what's going on inside that magic box in front of you, I would recommend taking this course.
Hi, Mr. Erico here. Welcome to our High Altitude Balloon Satellite course. As you can see on the screen, a depiction of what it looks like as it ascends, a quick glimpse of a parachute, our official payload box, and our SATCOM. The goal of our students is to design with Arduino a project that will be sent to the stratosphere. Take care.
Welcome to the IT Imagination Lab at Fairchild Wheeler. In this class, students will take a course in Robotics and Bionics 1. And learn about what engineering is and what engineers do, through building many projects involving basic, intermediate, which is mostly assembly, to advanced Arduino projects involving 3D printing. VEX Robotics will also be introduced, and many other topics. These will help students to learn about how the field of robotics operates and how robots work, in addition to the role of robots in society and how they are used in all aspects of STEM education.
Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Thomas. I'm here to tell you about the elective course Computer Ethics taught by myself and Mr. Smith. So what is ethics? Put it simply, the thoughts and beliefs that drive people's behavior. In computer ethics, we look at the different uses of technology in our evolving world, how they're used in good and bad ways. We talk about the legal and moral issues concerning technology use, everything from surveillance to copyright, data mining, even artificial intelligence. And you'll also have the opportunity to engage in a research project where you'll tackle an ethical issue in technology that you find interesting. Hope to see you in computer ethics.
Hello, my name is Mr. Ferrero. I'm one of the Capstone teachers here at the IT school. Capstone is basically a chance to give our students an opportunity to use the skills that they've learned in order to come up with a final senior project. Both Capstone 1 and 2 are semester-long courses. In Capstone 1, you'll be doing research to try to solve a problem. In Capstone 2, you'll be coming up with a prototype for that research. Here's an example of a project. This is a weight belt that was created to go ahead and critique form for weightlifters.
Hi, I'm here to tell you all about our class in the Internet of Things. What is the Internet of Things anyway? It's a network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. We'll learn about basic electronics, artificial intelligence, and the Python programming language. I really hope you'll consider joining this exciting class. In Computer Science Principles, we explore how the Internet works. We look at digital information and data. We use JavaScript to do app programming. We explore cybersecurity. and we investigate the global impacts of technology. In May, you can opt to take the AP exam for possible college credit. We look forward to seeing you in class.
Hi, my name is Ms. Doherty, and I'm here to tell you about web design. Web design is computer science meets art meets business. In our web design class, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make websites that are targeted for a specific audience with a specific purpose. By the end of the course, you will have a live portfolio that you can use for your work from Fairchild Wheeler and beyond. I hope you'll come and check us out in web design. Hi, I'm Mrs. Doherty. I'm here to tell you about our new course, Advanced IT Problem Solving. This course will give you the opportunity to work with IT topics in a real-world environment. Throughout the semester, we will be building a new business in the IT school. The business will have a help desk for internal clients and customers, such as students and faculty, as well as a print shop for external clients, such as small businesses in the area. The students in the course will run the business. This is a new course, so it's a great opportunity to be in on the ground floor of something new and exciting at the IT school. I hope you'll join us.
Hello, my name is Mr. Castro, and I teach apps development at Fairchild Wheeler High School. With apps development, you're able to create your own apps that run on your Android and iOS cell phone. Let me bring up my screen and I'll show you an example of one of my student apps. This particular app is a tax calculator, and the beauty of this is that it's block-based coding, which is a lot easier than regular coding. It can get complicated and it can be quite robust. It's a really cool class that a lot of our students use for their capstone projects. I'm going to show you a quick preview of this app. This particular app calculates your taxes depending on whether or not you're married, filing jointly with your withholdings. It takes you to multiple pages and it calculates your taxes. The beauty of this also is that it's something that you can actually run on your phone. As you can see here, there it goes. Anyway, if you want to learn how to create your own codes, your own apps, instead of going to the iTunes and Google Play Store, take apps development. Thank you.